Okay, now you're being videoed.
Mom, it's a wave.
Yeah, it's called a snowdrift.
Cool.
The wind has drifted the snow. Got like 36 inches. I mean, it's one heck of a blizzard.
Gonna ride this wave. Okay, ready?
Uh-huh. Very good. You're not even sinking in it. There's so much snow that you're not even sinking down. No, it's supposed to be warm.
Cold. This is so much trouble.
It's weird because this deck, the snow is like absolutely above the deck. I mean, this is like, it's several steps up. It was supposed to be
Can I borrow your gloves?
a big drop. Why? What's wrong with your gloves? Oh. Here. Do you have other gloves? Because I'm supposed to shovel the path for the dog.
Yeah, those.
Got the little kitty relief station built here.
Because Mom has a cat addiction. Okay, ready?
Had to get it shoveled out for him.
Ready?
Where's Jezebel? He's got his little path there. What are you going to do?
Jump.
Oh, this ought to be good. Be careful.
I will.
Remember, there's a bowl down there.
Yeah, I know. Okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
Oh, God. Yay.
It didn't even... You didn't even sink to the bottom.
Huh?
You're not even sinking to the bottom.
So? I know. Because the bottom part is hard.
Oh.
Tell her to jump on the trampoline.
Oh, God.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Not. You probably go right through it. The snow is weighted down. I wouldn't jump on that trampoline. He had a bad idea.
Ow.
Not that I think you would ever be able to make it over there. No, don't go. Carm, don't jump on it. Seriously. There's so much snow on it, it might collapse.
It's tiring.
So how you like the blizzards?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm not loving it. I gotta go dig that dog path. Actually, you can help me with the dog path. Why don't you come on up?
Huh?
You like the snow so much. Come on up. You can help me dig that dog path. Huh.